पणजी नुस्तें बाजाराची इमारत केन्नाय घो जावं येता देखून ती मोडून तात्पुरते मीठ स्टॉल उबारपाचो CCPचो यत्न आसा। ही इमारत मोडपा खातीर अदमासीत खर्च 4,98,759 रुपया जावन आसा। पालिका मंडळाचे बसकेत पे पार्किंग फ्रेज 3 चेर चर्चा जाली। पळयात पुराय बातमी। पालिका महामंडळान सरकारी पॉलिटेक्निकांतल्यान संरचनात्मक स्थिरताय मेळोवपाक अहवाल मेळयल्लो। तातूंत सांगिल्ले प्रमाण नुस्तें बाजार इमारत मोडपाक पावल्या। इमारतीची अवतिकाय जाल्या। इमारत वेवसायांक सामकी असुरक्षीत जाल्या। बुधवार जाल्ले CCPचे बसकेत हे विशीं चर्चा जाली। पळयात।
More of a good inspection, doing the monitoring of the it is a continuous process. It's not as simple as take them out and go. There are a lot of other issues.
Because they are
no, we understand.
What can do sir regarding the homeless? Because there is a CMM as well, and it's
we start
our MLA has made a statement recently that on 31st May the work will get over. I request you as a commissioner, if you all can present what is the smart city plan. The last when I had gone about 2 or 3 months back, nobody had a plan. I think I had asked during one of the meeting, and you had assured us that you would call a meeting of all the smart city guys. Correct, no? But finally it never happened. I request if you can present that plan and have a meeting with everybody so that we know what is happening.
You can read the MD and read our plans and everything. You can sit with them any point. He has never refused a single person. He is entertained people from the contract to Miramar also. Every time there is an issue, there is not a problem at all. You want to sit in the MD, I said it.
So where all things I have gone and met him specifically. You can present the entire plan and who is responsible for what.
Yeah, so phase 3 parking also the contractor has won the thing. So 1.6 crores is going to come to the corporation in terms of revenue and everything also.
Which contractor? Same contractor?
Yeah, same contractor has won the bid.
So no other bidders?
Sorry?
No other bidders?
No, there were other bidders, but now he was willing to give the corporation the highest amount of thing in terms of revenue. So he won the bid.
And regarding the smart city, the inquiry with the range of the what exactly?
No, see now smart city now we were in the meeting with CM. When CM called all of the departments, he called all the owners of the companies, everybody. So he had declared that May 31st was the deadline for completion of all of the works. And after that, Minister and CM are looking after the issues. So they've been having regular meetings and everything. So 31st May is the deadline, and it should be completed by then.
उदरगतीच्या नावान करोडांनी पैसो गेलो खंय काय खबर ना। स्मार्ट सिटीच्या कामांचेर पालिका महामंडळाची बसकेत चर्चा जाली। हे विशीं CCP कॉर्पोरेटर उदय मडकयकाराक कितें म्हणपाचें आसा तें आयकात।
स्मार्ट सिटीचो इशू रेज केला की काल आमच्या पणजेच्या अंबरकर झाला की क्वालिटी ही गॅरंटी आपण दिवं शकना म्हणून हांवें कितें केलां आमचे कडेन इंजिनियर आसा न्हू आमचे कडेन इंजिनियर एक टीम तयार करची PWCची इंजिनियर घेवन आतां एक क्वालिटीचे ऑडिट करपाचें कित्याक फाल्यां सगळे टायर पेवर्स बसून कॉन्क्रीट करून जेन्ना ते सगळें भितर काम जातलें वयर चकचकीत दिसतलें भितर काय कितें आहा तें काय कळचें ना आनी मागीर कांयच तुका क्वॉलिटी चेक करून मेळची ना पूण हांवें मागलां की आतां जें फोडलेलें आसा जें काम केलां कित्याक क्युरींग जायना कांय जाणां आमी पळयता ते आमचो इंजिनियर आसा आमचे स्टाफ आसा ताका घेवन एक ऑडिट तयार करचें जे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावंक जाय हांव फायनान्शियल इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन तें गव्हर्मेंटान करचें म्हूण मागता दोनूय ऑडिट जावंक जाय फायनान्शियल आनी क्वॉलिटी ऑडिट हे दोनूय कंपल्सरी जावंक जाय कित्याक कोरोनानी पयसो तो खंय गेला लोकांक काय खबर ना आज जवळ 1000 कोटीचें काम चालू आसा लोक म्हणटा 1000 कोटी काय म्हणटाय खंय गेले काम 1000 कोटी बूड जर दोळीन लोक तर हे जाला हांवें तें सांगलां की कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर जर उदक मारना आमचे कडेन टँकर आसा तूं आज तूं एक घर बांदता आसतना तूं डेकोरेशन आयटम केन्ना हाडटा फ्लावर पॉट जावं आनी कितें केन्ना हाडटा सगळें जातकच हेंच्यांनी हे तें करूंकूच ना पयलीं कुत्रे हाडले करोडांनी बिलां लायलीं आझाद मैदानाचे ते ग्रील्स घातले खंय गेले बरे ग्रील्स आज ते कोणी येता भितर येता पयलीं तुका सेफ्टी आसली कोणाक भितर येवंक मेळनासले ते ग्रील्स खंय गेले ते अजून पासून खबर ना कितलेशेच लाखाचे ग्रील्स ते थंय म्हणून हें म्हणून दाखयलें पाड्यार ते तुका हें केलो एक लाकडी तो हें म्हणून हें केलो तो काय आसा आतां।
GOA365 खातीर विल्यम रॉड्रिक्स, मनीषा जाधव आणि सानिका नागवेकर।